The ingredients of household cleaning products. Surfactants. These are compounds that help to remove dirt and grease from surfaces. They are often derived from petroleum or plant-based sources. Solvents. These are liquids that dissolve dirt and other substances. Common solvents used in household cleaning products include water, alcohol, and glycol ethers. Builders. These are chemicals that help to enhance the cleaning power of the product. Examples of builders include phosphates, citrates, and carbonates. Bleach. This is a chemical that can help to whiten or brighten surfaces. Chlorine bleach is a common ingredient in many household cleaning products. Enzymes. These are biological molecules that can break down certain types of stains or soils. Protease enzymes, for example, can break down protein-based stains like blood or grass. Fragrances. These are added to cleaning products to provide a pleasant scent. They can be derived from natural or synthetic sources. Preservatives. These are added to prevent the growth of bacteria or other microorganisms in the product. Common preservatives include benzalkonium chloride and methylisothiazolinone. Note: it's worth noting that not all cleaning products contain all of these ingredients, and some products may contain additional ingredients not listed here. Additionally, the specific type and amount of ingredients can vary depending on the brand and formulation of the product.